Your resume will not help you in getting shortlisted or getting filtered out, but it will decide what happens in your interview. Most students misunderstand this completely. Infosys shortlisting for round 2 is based on your test performance, but selection in the interview, that's where your resume becomes your biggest weapon or your biggest weakness. In this video, I will show you role-based resume strategy, high-impact projects, and exact examples you can use. Let's start with the biggest mistake. Using one generic resume for all. For example, specialist programmer, digital specialist engineer, and every other company. That might get you to round 2, but it won't get you selected because in the interview, your resume becomes the entire discussion. Your resume should answer one question: why should we hire you for this role? Not what all have you done, but what makes you perfect for this role. Because interviewers will literally pick questions from your resume. For role 1, that is specialist programmer, across different sections that are L3, L2 and L1, let's break it down completely. What Infosys expects is strong DSA, problem solving, logical thinking. Weak resume example would be created a to-do list using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In interview, you will get basic questions and no strong impression. Strong resume example would be like optimized pathfinding algorithm using BFS and Dijkstra to reduce computation time by 30%. Now interviewer can ask you why BFS, time complexity and alternatives. This creates a deep technical discussion, exactly what they want. Best project types for this role is algorithm visualizer, computative programming profiles such as Codeforces or LeetCode, logic-heavy systems. Now let's come to the resume sections that matters the most. The first one is DSA or problem solving. If you have solved some problems in LeetCode, mention them like the top 10% in contests, etc. Second one is projects. Focus on logic, not user interface. And the third one is technical skills. If you know languages such as C++, Java, Python, mention them. Only mention those which you know and in which you are good at. And the golden rule would be like, if your resume doesn't create technical discussion, you won't crack L2 or L3. Now let's talk about the most practical role, that is digital specialist engineer. What Infosys expects is real-world applications, development mindset, practical problem solving. Weak resume example would be like basic calculator using Python. In interview, conversation ends in 30 seconds for these type of projects. For strong resume example would be like have built AI-based expense tracker with real-time analytics and prediction using ML model. Now interviewer can ask which model is used and what is the accuracy and what could be the real-world use case. This shows depth along with application. Best project types would be like full stack web app or AIML mini project, automation tools, etc. Coming to the resume sections that most matter for this role. First one is projects, which is most important. Second one is internships or experience. And the third one is skills, clear tech stack. The golden rule for this role is if your project sounds useful in real life, interviewer will naturally go deeper with you. Now let's structure your resume for interview success. For perfect one-page layout resume, it should consist a minimum of 5 sections. That would be like first one will be name plus your contact and your details, personal details. And the second one would be like skills that are relevant. Third one would be like projects, 2 to 3 strong ones. Fourth one will be like DSA or achievements which you have done. And the fifth one is education. I will provide you an example template in the description. You can create the resume using the template and create your own based on that. The bullet formula would be like you can write as developed a chatbot using NLP that reduces response time by 40%. It includes what you have done, using what you have done and what it does. This helps interviewer directly pick questions. Let's come to the common mistakes why people fail in interviews. The first one is writing projects they don't understand. Second one is no depth in explanation. And the third one is copy paste GitHub projects. And fourth one is no metrics at all. And fifth one is too many weak projects. In interview, even one weak project can expose you. Here's the real game. For round 1, gets you the opportunity. Resume helps you convert it. Most students prepare for test. Very few prepare for the conversion. In the next video, I will break down the exact round 1 pattern and give you a smart strategy to clear it efficiently. If you are serious about cracking Infosys, follow this series. Don't just reach the interview, win it. Thank you guys, that's it for today.